In this video, I will show you how to delete files on Android phone permanently without file recovery. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for File Manager on your Android phone. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here, and then here we go, File Manager. Open up your File Manager. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Browse and then navigate to the particular file you want to permanently delete on your Android phone. So I'm going to delete some videos right here. So click on Videos. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to Camera right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click and hold down, select as many as possible video file right here. Having select all the file you want to delete, click on Delete right here. And this is going to pump up. Go ahead and click on Delete. Just like so. Now, once you delete the file from a camera section or any folder, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for trash or recently deleted file on your Android phone. How can you do that? Click on back right here. Continue to go back. Then right here, I have my recently deleted right here. So go ahead and click on that. Then you are going to still see all the file you deleted from your phone in the sections right here. However, for you to permanently delete them, all you have to do is to click and hold down, select them all. Once you select all the file, go ahead and click on Delete right here. For this file, delete the selected 46 file permanently. Go ahead and click on Delete right here. And all the file will be permanently deleted without recovery. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.